Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to make nuts powder. For that we need 100 grams of badham, cashew nut and pista and a pinch of nutmeg powder. These are some benefits of nutmeg and a pinch of turmeric powder, and let's see how to prepare. For that first heat a pan or wok and dry roast the badam in medium flame. Make sure the flame is in medium. It's roasted well. The color will not change, but you can see it is well roasted. You can see some cracks. And next we will roast the cashews. The time taken will be around 3 to 4 minutes. Cook the same way, cook in medium flame. You can see some brown spots. If you want to check means whether it is toasted or not, take a cashew in your hand and you can see it should be very hot, and if it is means you can take it off. And the same way we can roast the pista too. While roasting the pista, I am adding the turmeric powder so that it will also cook. Roast the same way, medium flame, 3 to 4 minutes, and take it off. Grate the nutmeg powder, nutmeg for a pinch, quarter teaspoon. Put all the nuts in a Ziploc bag and powder like this using some heavy object like this. We don't have to make it a fine powder. We can pound it as much we can. Since it has almond in it, if you put it in mixie directly means it oozes some oil out, so that we are doing in this method. I have pounded like this. Now we transfer this into a mixie jar and we are going to blend it. I am adding the nutmeg powder. We have to blend. While blending, be careful. It will be powdered very soon. I am just giving only 2 pulses. This is the second pulse I am doing, and after that I got a very fine powder like this. Store it in a airtight box. You can give this to your baby's diet in whatever way you like. And that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.